Well, hello again, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I would love to show you guys how I came up with this look and my whole process for it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, tap that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you. Okay, so I started off with my hair in twist. My whole hair is twisted, and I started off by untwisting it and applying the products, as you see. So at this point I'm just trying to tame it. So this is the one and only cream I was talking about that I apply to this section right here. My hair's feeling a bit dry, so I'm gonna add some. I don't know what it would do to the hair pattern, but let's see together. I'm just applying a little to just soften it up a bit. Oh, okay. Wow, tamed it hella. Right, so you see how I stopped right there? It's because I know I mentioned in a previous video that sometimes if you leave it on too long, it sticks, and don't try to just rip it off because you just end up lifting it up. So what I do is I dabble a little bit of water, literally put water on my finger, and I tap on the head tie on the spot that I'm feeling it sticking on to my head, and you just do that, and then you peel it off, and it comes off a piece. So y'all, the hardest part for me honestly with this hairstyle was parting of my, I find like because I messed up the part, that is what irked me. I felt like I messed up the style. And you see that cord that just hanging down there at the start of the video? I was like, all things just went wrong when I was recording this video. It's just one thing after the next. Filmed it out of focus, then I messed up the part of the hairstyle itself, and then this random cord just popped in my video. I was like, is this a sign from Jesus? Is this video just not meant to be released, to post it, to share? Like, is this hairstyle just not it? But I decided against that, and so wanted to show you guys not just the ones that turned out well, but the ones that were also, I guess, challenging, or that challenging for me or didn't turn out how I wanted it to. Also, you never know. I didn't like how it turns out for me, but if you try it and perfect it, I think that will look really bomb, and you should share it with me. Like, I have my Instagram listed below. Feel free to message me. I would love to see you guys try this. Ladies out there who don't have the time to be finger defining your hair section by section, when I'm not in the mood, this is how I do it. I literally just go all in, hammered, just slap that on, you know. I don't do it in sections, I just do it like this if I already don't have the time, which I clearly did not have the time that day. So, y'all. By the way, products will be listed below, so if you're interested to know what products I used to get this done, I'll list them below.
recharge my energy. I no get time for no enemy. Tori pe wole to me. Nothing with person never see. I'm on nothing with person never see. Forget it as they fashi. Money soon expected. Take our body agent. I take her to the person. Jelly, jelly. I'm in the answer, then yes, sir. Then I'm in the answer, yes, sir. Respect is reciprocal, even though I know say I'm special. Anybody, when no one to search it. Anybody, when no the carry body. I can't something, I can't something. To bata vele, I can't something. You want job where you never function, because myself I never done. I look you, they laugh, you go. I shall no say the time go come, mama, I no say the time go come. When you look go fit the line,
So your crazy thing, I started to braid my hair in the wrong freaking direction. Yes, I said that right. In the wrong direction. You girl forgot completely that this is not the style. This just was not it. But eventually I caught on. Eventually.
I take her to the person. I'm in the answer, then yes, sir. Then I'm in the answer, yes, sir. Respect is reciprocal, even though I know say I'm special. Anybody, when no one to search it. Anybody, when no the carry body. I can't something, I can't something.
So I believe it's somewhere around here that I messed up the part. I braided some of the hair from the pineapple one into the braid itself, and that like caused the line to not be, the part to not be straight. Yeah, that was sad.